clearance rates. Everybody's talking clearance rates. Everybody's talking about the current market in Australia, the current market in Sydney, the current market, all around, the greater New South Wales area. So last week, the auction clearance rates was 88%. So pretty high. So what are we seeing there? Auctions are becoming more popular because people are thinking, well, this way, and particularly vendors, and every vendor believes their property is worth more than it probably really is. And when you were last a vendor, you probably did exactly the same. I've been there, done that. Always think your property's worth more than it is. But that's great. So you've got unrealistic vendors. There's nothing new in that one. And you've got properties that are selling above, and they're still happening, maybe less than they were 4 or 5 months ago, but they're still happening, selling well above, your expectation, your opinion of price that you gave. Now, this is not underquoting. This is if your files show that you have evidence and good reason as to why you put a price or a price range on a property. It's not underquoting if it goes way over. If your vendor sets an unrealistic reserve on the day. What you need to make sure is that you have all of your paperwork in order, that you have, your written reserve from your vendor, that you have, if they change their reserve during the auction, that you have written, that they sign off on that. Yes, it may take an extra, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and, it's that nervous silence while the auctioneer is inside and you as an agent are making that paperwork happen. But it's part and parcel of the process. You need to make sure that with auctions going so quickly that your files are compliant, that you are doing the right thing, that you're amending prices accordingly, you've got the right paperwork to cover that, you are informing your vendor of what you're doing, you're informing, if you're amending your price range or opinion of price, that you're letting people who have shown an interest or asked for a contract, you're letting them know that your opinion of price has changed. So, that's that multi-million-dollar question really when it comes down to pricing. But we're in this very difficultly and quickly changing market where it's your compliance at the back end of your files that'll save you at the end of the day if and when there is a complaint about either underquoting or when fair trading walk through the door and start looking at your files, because they're looking at a minimum of 2 sales and 2 property management files when they walk through your doors in terms of checking your compliance against all those areas.